That's fine. Now it's good. Picture is clear. Okay. So you are ready finally, huh?
Yes.
I think you have taken bath and you have worshipped.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I see that tilak.
Today is fast due to this.
Okay, you observe fast on Tuesday.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Okay. So it's your first day and first lesson. So we are going to begin, and all the best for it. And before we begin, I would like to know something about you and how you want to proceed, what you want to learn. I would like to know everything, right? And then we'll customize a course for you, and then we'll go accordingly.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So first of all, just introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Ravindra Singh Best. I belong to Uttarakhand. I am living in Delhi NCR approx 20 to 25 years,
Okay.
and I'm working in ACPL last 3 years. I have total 10 year experience or more, and I have two kids,
Okay.
one daughter, one son.
How old are you?
I am 27.
27. Okay. Quite young.
Yeah.
Quite young.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. You have introduced yourself, but I would like to suggest you something. Whenever you are going to speak something in English, first of all, don't think that speaking very fast is considered as you are fluent. No, that doesn't mean. You should speak uh, in a flow but slowly, and every word should be very clear because your listener want to understand what you want to say, right? So like
Okay.
you should say, I am Ravindra, your name is Ravindra, right?
Yeah.
And so my name is Ravindra, or I am Ravindra, I am from Uttarakhand, or I belong to Uttarakhand. Okay, no problem. I belong to Uttarakhand. And as you said that you are in Delhi for the last 20 to 25 years, you told me. You should say, I have been in Delhi for the last 20 years. I have been in Delhi. Why you should say I have been? Because actually when something is in continuous, but it is with time. Like I say, as you have already told that you told me you are in Delhi for the last 20 to 25 years. But if time is not there, you can say I am in Delhi right now.
Okay.
But if you want to mention time, you should say I have been in Delhi. Like this is present perfect continuous. I think you might have known about it. And when time is there and continuous sentence is there, it is always made in present perfect continuous. So I have been in Delhi for the last 20 to 25 years. Okay. And I have got an experience of 10 years in my profession. What you should say? I have an experience, or you can say I have got an experience of 10 years in my profession.
Okay.
And I have been in my last job for the last 3 years. I have been married for the last 5 years or whatever. You can say I have been married for the last 5 years and I have got 2 kids, a daughter and a son. So I live here with my family. Right?
Right.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's like your introduction. Okay. So now what's your aim? Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because I have to communicate with customers. So I am facing some problem to communicate with customers. So I want to improve that problem.
Very good. So you want to improve your English, you want to improve your spoken English because
Yes.
your job profile is like that where you have to communicate with your customers in English.
The customers in English spoken as well as in writing.
Okay, you want to improve your writing also.
Yeah, because sometime I have to write an email to customers.
Okay.
And draft something.
Okay. So that is your purpose to learn English. Okay.
Yeah.
And why did you decide to learn English with me?
So I was seeing your YouTube videos, and I was trying to approach you and get some your links where you are teaching to some out of station or out of location countries student as well as India. So I decided to you are the better for me to improve my communication.
Okay. Now the very first sentence you told me I was seen. Actually, this is a wrong sentence. You told me I was seen. I was seen, this is, a passive voice. I was seen मतलब मुझे देखा गया था. जबकि क्या है, मैंने देखा था. अभी अपन इसको we are going to learn all these things in grammar, don't worry. But just I am going to point you out of your mistakes. Because it's my duty to make you very, very fluent in English without any mistake, without committing any mistake. Okay, so how we should say मैंने देखा था? How would you say मैंने देखा था?
I was saw.
No. I was saw नहीं. I saw. I saw. मैंने देखा था के लिए अंग्रेजी नहीं लगती है यहाँ पे.
Okay.
I saw. मैंने देखा था, मैंने देखा. I saw. क्या देखा? One of your videos. है ना? क्या देखा मैंने? I saw one of your videos. तो क्या बोलेंगे हम? One of your videos. क्यों बोला मैंने?
Multiple videos, that's why.
हाँ, तो मैंने आपके वीडियो में से एक वीडियो देखा. कहाँ देखा? ऑन इंटरनेट. तो मैंने क्या कहा? आई सॉ वन ऑफ. देखिए हमेशा जब whenever you are speaking, then divide it into parts. I saw one of your videos on internet. This is a complete sentence. Now you can connect another sentence. How? I saw one of your videos on internet. And अब क्या कहना चाहते हैं आप उसके बाद? What do you want to say?
वहाँ पर मैंने आपकी वीडियो देखा कि आप टीचिंग दे रहे हो आउट ऑफ कंट्री के स्टूडेंट को एज वेल एज सम कपल्स.
Okay. So I saw one of your videos on internet and I found what? You were teaching. I found you were teaching some of the students from other countries.
Okay.
As well as from our country too. आया ना समझ में आपको?
Yeah, got it.
है ना? I saw one of your videos on internet and I found you were teaching some of the students from other countries. And some of the other students from our country too.
Okay.
So I thought, तो मैंने सोचा, क्या सोचा?
I thought you are good for me to improve my communication skills.
I thought I should contact you, or I thought you are the teacher who can teach me or who can help me to improve my English.
Yes.
Right?
Okay.
Okay. Next. Okay. So now I'm going to make a schedule for you here, that every day I'll give you some homework and you will do that, and we'll finish it within 15 minutes. I'll check it, and 15 minutes what? Your homework. Okay, so first 15 minutes I'll check, or suppose I give you any topic, then I'll listen the topic and I'll teach you how to speak. Okay, so 15 minutes we'll take. First 15 minutes of our class will be for checking your homework, right? Next 10 minutes we learn grammar. Okay. Okay, after that 15 minutes for speaking topics. Next 15 minutes we'll learn, or I'll give you some topics, I'll speak, you listen to me. That is for next 15 minutes. So it is 40 minutes, and remaining 10 minutes we'll discuss maybe your problems, or I'll teach you some other things which are important for writing or speaking or whatever. So we will have 10 minutes spare for discussing problems, or I'll teach you some other things which are important for speaking or writing. Okay, so as it is your first day, so there is no homework, so let's go to the grammar first. Okay, so today I'm just going to tell you imperative sentences. Do you know imperative sentences? Do you know imperative sentences? Okay, no problem. Imperative sentences means, you know verbs? Verbs. Can you tell me any verb? No. I am talking about main verb. Has, have, these are auxiliary verbs. Okay. These are used to make a sentence. But verbs means like go, like come. What do you mean by verb? Verb is a word which shows the action of noun or pronoun. कोई एक्शन हम करते हैं, कोई सब्जेक्ट है वो कोई एक्शन करता है, लाइक जैसे गो, कम. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है आना या जाना, या अपने का खाना, एक्शन वाला खाना. वो खाना रखा हुआ खाना नहीं, दैट इज नाउन, वो फूड है, वो वर्ब नहीं है. तो लाइक कम, go, try, sit, stand, play, run, write, speak, whatever. And all the verbs have three forms. First form, second form, third form. So what are the forms of go?
Go, went, Gone.
Right. Come.
Come, came, comes. Come. Okay.
Come, came, come. Like
Come.
read.
Read, wrote,
No, read.
or write, wrote. Read, write, wrote.
Read तो पढ़ना होता है, राइट होता है लिखना.
हाँ.
तो
Read,
read spelling is same in all the three forms.
yeah, read.
हाँ, लेकिन बोलते क्या है? रीड, रेड, रेड.
Right.
करेक्ट.
Correct.
रीड इज पढ़ना, लेकिन all the three forms spelling is same but pronunciation is different. read, read, read. मैंने कहा मैंने एक किताब पढ़ी, तो मैंने लिखा I read a book. अब अगर आपने ये लिखा सेंटेंस, तो इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है I read a book, मैं किताब पढ़ता हूँ. और मैंने बोला I read a book, तो इसका मतलब है मैंने पढ़ी. लिखा ऐसे ही जाएगा. But if you want to mention a time in past, I read a book last night. तो फिर past में हो गया वो, तो read पढ़ा जाएगा. Clear? Similarly, cut. Pronunciation and spelling all are same in all the three forms. Cut. अब मैं एक बड़ा ट्रिकी आपसे पूछता हूँ. मैंने लिखा ही कट. What do you mean by that?
He cut an apple. The current.
नहीं, करंट है या पास्ट है ये?
It can be both.
No. Why?
Why?
I tell you. He cut an apple. This is past. उसने एक सेब काटा. But why it is past? Because if it is in present, we must say he cuts an apple. सेब काटता है. Because in present indefinite tense, with singular verb, we make verb in singular.
Okay.
Verbs are always in plural form. We make them singular by adding s, es, is. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, got it.
He cuts an apple. It means वो काटता है. He cuts an apple every day. And he eats it.
Okay.
He cut an apple. उसने काटा. क्योंकि cuts नहीं है उसमें, इसका मतलब it is past. Okay. Clear? चलिए, so let's go to imperative sentences. Imperative sentences means the words which show or which are made to suggest someone or to order someone or to request someone. There we use verb only. There is no subject at all. जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा go there. It is imperative.
Yeah.
Go का मतलब जाना तो होता है, मगर यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? जाओ. ये एक सेंटेंस बन गया imperative. Okay. तो when we make a sentence using verb, तो we plus subject हम यूज कर लेते हैं.
Okay.
Sorry, object. Verb plus object. Subject, there is no subject. Go there. Sit down here. Imperative है. Sit down here. This is order. Sit down here. If you want to make it a request, you can say please sit down here. Okay, if you want to
Okay.
make it negative, अब नेगेटिव बनाना है तो मैं एक सेंटेंस आपको बताता हूँ. नाउ यू विल मेक other sentences by yourself. This will be your homework. Like मैंने कहा go there, मैंने कहा please go there. It is a request. कृपया वहां जाइए. Please go there. अभी मैंने कहा वहां मत जाइए, तो मैंने कहा don't. Yes, मैंने कहा don't go there. Don't go there. Okay. If you want to make a negative imperative sentence in a request, then you should say please don't go there. Clear?
Oh, done.
Please don't go there. How would you say? You must have some expressions also. Please don't go there. Please sit down here. Please don't touch it. If you want to order, don't touch it. This is mine. Don't take my pen. This is mine. Please don't use my smartphone. Please don't smoke cigarette here. Please don't smoke cigarette here. Smoke cigarette outside, not here. So now you are going to start speaking by practicing imperative sentences. So you have to speak a lot, or you have to make at least, you take 20 verbs of your choice.
Okay.
And make 4 sentences by each verb. कैसे मैं बता चुका. गो का मैंने बताया, गो देयर, प्लीज गो देयर, डोंट गो देयर, प्लीज डोंट गो देयर. So if you have a verb, you can make 4 sentences by it. So take 20 verbs of your choice, like read, like write. One more example I give you. Write a poem.
Write a poem.
Write a poem. Don't write a poem, write a story. तब देखो सेंटेंस भी बन गया, स्पीकिंग भी शुरू हो गई आपकी. राइट अ पोएम, और डोंट राइट अ पोएम, राइट अ स्टोरी. प्लीज राइट अ पोएम. डोंट मेक अ नॉइज. तो मेक अ नॉइज भी होता है, शोर मत मचाओ, लेकिन हमेशा हम बोलते हैं मेक अ नॉइज. डोंट मेक अ नॉइज. Please don't make a noise. Don't disturb me. Sit down here. Don't sit down here. This is my chair. So start speaking and write. Take 20 verbs of your choice and make sentences. Then you'll have 80 sentences. So this is your homework, right? And now I want to tell you some of the important imperative sentences which are very important for you to learn. Let's take. जैसे आप बोलते हो पंखा चालू करो. What do you say?
Please switch on the fan.
Very good, very nice. पंखा बंद करो.
Please off the fan.
Switch off.
Switch off
Please switch off the fan.
the fan.
तो any kind of switch. Switch on, switch off.
Switch off.
Okay. अच्छा, टीवी को ऑन करना है तो स्विच ऑन, या टर्न ऑन भी कह सकते हो आप. टर्न ऑन द टीवी, टर्न ऑफ द टीवी. ओके. नाउ दरवाजे का ताला लगाओ.
Please close the door, or please close the.
क्लोज तो हो गया, बंद करो. ताला लगाओ।
प्लीज शट द डोर।
कोई बात नहीं, मैं बताता हूँ। लॉक द डोर। लॉक द डोर। अब खोलना है ताले को।
प्लीज ओपन द डोर।
नहीं, ओपन तो
अनलॉक द डोर।
हाँ, अनलॉक द डोर, राइट। अच्छा, एक चीज और होता है, आप वो चटकनी बोलते हो, क्या बोलते हो, चटकनी लगा दो। एक चटकनी लगाते हैं, लॉक नहीं लगाया, अंदर से चटकनी लगा देते हो आप, तो क्या बोलते हो उसको? बोल्ट द डोर।
ओके।
बोल्ट द डोर, अनबोल्ट द डोर। अच्छा, एक और होता है, एक वो ऐसे करके लगाते हैं डंडाला, क्या होता है वो? दरवाजा बंद किया, एक तो चटकनी लगाते हो, एक अंदर से वो एक डंडाला सा भी होता है ना, जिसमें ताला लगाते हैं, वो लगाना हो तो उसको बोलते हैं लैच। लैच द डोर। मतलब आपको बोल्ट नहीं करना, उसको चटकनी नहीं लगाना, लैच करना, या दोनों करना है, बोल्ट एंड लैच द डोर। चटकनी भी लगा दो, उसकी वो सांकल डंडा जो भी है वो भी लगा दो, ठीक है। लैच द डोर, अनलैच द डोर, खोल दो, ठीक है। अभी अपन आते हैं, यू गो, जैसे आप सीढ़ियों से चढ़ के ऊपर जाते हो तो उसको क्या बोलते हो?
गो टू अपस्टेयर।
हाँ, अप स्टेयर्स तो सही है, लेकिन टू नहीं लगाते हम उसमें। गो अप स्टेयर्स, तो क्या बोलेंगे? गो
अपस्टेयर।
और नीचे आ जाओ,
गो डाउन स्टेयर।
कम डाउन स्टेयर्स। नीचे जाओ, गो, नीचे आओ, कम, राइट। अच्छा, नहा लो,
टेक अ बाथ।
टेक अ बाथ। खा लो, खाना खा लो, कुछ खा लो।
ईट द फूड।
ईट थोड़ा वैसा शब्द है जो घर में यूज कर सकते हो, लेकिन किसी के साथ, मेहमान, फ्रेंड्स, तो हैव फूड बोलते हैं। हैव फूड, या किसी से कहना प्लीज हैव अ कप ऑफ, प्लीज हैव अ कप ऑफ टी विद मी, प्लीज हैव अ कप ऑफ टी विद मी, राइट। ओके, व्रत रख लो। आपके स्पीकर की आवाज मुझे आ रही वापस, तो थोड़ा टर्न द वॉल्यूम लो। हाँ, कैन यू हियर माई वॉइस?
या।
ओके, तो व्रत, अभी आपने कहा मैं व्रत रखता हूँ, तो व्रत रखने के लिए हम हमेशा ऑब्जर्व बोलते हैं, ठीक है। आई ऑब्जर्व फास्ट ऑन, क्या हो रहा है, आई ऑब्जर्व फास्ट ऑन ट्यूसडे, ठीक है। ऑब्जर्व बोलते हैं हमेशा। कई लोग बोलते हैं आई हैव फास्ट टुडे, ऑब्जर्व।
ऑब्जर्व मींस डिफरेंट ना।
ऑब्जर्व भी यूज होता है, डोंट ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द मीनिंग ऑफ ऑब्जर्व। ऑब्जर्व इज यूज्ड देयर, ऑब्जर्व। अभी तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जहाँ मतलब अलग निकलेंगे, ठीक है। तो ऑब्जर्व बोलते हैं, जैसे मैंने कहा डोंट ऑब्जर्व फास्ट फॉर नेक्स्ट 15 days. Suppose your doctor is going to suggest you something regarding your health. When he suggests you, don't observe fast for next 1 month. It's not good for your health. But observing fast is always good for health. It is my opinion.
Mm.
Eat lot of fruits. So what do you eat on Tuesday?
Any food,
Like
banana, orange, apple,
means you use fruits.
yeah.
Very good. Using, and if you use fruits every day in the morning, and means what is your weight?
Weight is 68 or 69.
Okay. Then you must have at least 700 grams of fruits every day in the morning if you want to be healthy and fit always. Do you know this?
Yes.
Minimum. This is your natural medicine. If you are not ill or sick, you will never be sick. If you are sick, you will be cured. If you eat more than 700, it is far good. But if you are but minimum, this is the amount you have to eat every day. 700 grams of fruit and different fruits. And you don't have to eat all that 700 grams of food at a time. ये नहीं कि एक साथ लेके बैठ गए,
Okay.
खा नहीं रहा फिर भी खाए जा रहे हैं. No. Feeling hungry, take an apple. After an hour, again you are feeling hungry, take a banana. But 700 of gram. After their skin, छिलके हटाने के बाद 700 ग्राम होना चाहिए.
Okay.
अनार ले आए 2, आधा किलो, but the extract from it is just 100 or 200 grams,
Mm.
because the remaining part of the pomegranate is heavy.
Mm.
So it should be 700 grams which you eat. ये एक अच्छा है, बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे इस पे. यू वांट टू, आई टेल यू लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, बाल बनाओ. Comb your hair.
Yeah.
Comb your hair, or you can say do your hair. Okay. हाँ, now अपनी नाक साफ करो.
Clean your nose.
नो, क्लीन नहीं होता, वही बताऊंगा. ये होता है ब्लो योर नोज. नाउ यू मे बी थिंकिंग ब्लो का मतलब तो बजाना होता है साहब.
Mm.
ऐसे बजाते हैं ब्लो करके, फूंक मार के, लेकिन ब्लो ही बोला जाता है. ब्लो योर नोज. वैसे भी नाक बजाते ही हो ना जब आप साफ करते हो, आवाज तो होती है. अब वो आप
Yeah.
जस्टिफाई कर लो उसको ऐसे, बट द मीनिंग इज, मे ब्लो योर नोज इज स्पोकन ऑलवेज फॉर क्लीनिंग योर नोज. अपने दांत साफ करो.
Same. Okay.
हम्म
Clean your tongue.
नो, ब्रश बोलते हैं, ब्रश योर टीथ.
Brush your tongue.
क्लीन नहीं बोलते, ब्रश योर टीथ, ब्रश योर टीथ.
Mm.
जूते पॉलिश करो.
Shoe your polish. Polish your shoes.
पॉलिश नहीं बोलते हैं, वैसे यूज जनरली लोग करते हैं पॉलिश योर शूज, लेकिन हम बोलते हैं शाइन योर शूज. शाइन. ठीक. लाइक सिगरेट जलाओ. कोई भी चीज हम जो जलाते हैं लाइटर से,
Mm.
जैसे गैस जलाते हैं आप, गैस जलाओ. लाइट द गैस बर्नर.
Mm.
लाइट द गैस बर्नर, लाइट द सिगरेट. तो क्या बोलेंगे हम? लाइट
One cigarette.
लाइट द सिगरेट. बुझाओ तो पुट आउट बोलते हैं हम,
Put out.
पुट आउट द सिगरेट। पुट आउट द सिगरेट। ओके,
Okay.
लाइक नींबू निचोड़ो, स्क्यूज,
Square the lemon.
स्क्यूज द लेमन। लेकिन कपड़ा निचोड़ो तो स्क्वीज नहीं होगा, तो वहां पे होता है रिंग आउट।
Okay.
कपड़े को ऐसे निचोड़ते हम, इसमें से उससे पानी निकल जाए, नींबू को ऐसे निचोड़ेंगे। नल खोलो तो बता ही चुका मैं आपको, टर्न ऑन द टैप। नल की जो टोंटी होती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? टैप। टर्न ऑन द टैप, टर्न ऑफ द टैप, बंद कर दो, है ना। अभी दाढ़ी बनाओ, हाँ, शेव योरसेल्फ, ठीक। कपड़े प्रेस, आयरन, आयरन नहीं बोलते वहां पे, क्या बोलते हैं? आयरन। आयरन बोलेंगे तो लोहा हो जाएगा, आयन बोलेंगे तो प्रेस हुआ, ठीक है। तो आयन योर क्लॉथ्स, ठीक है। अपनी शर्ट के बटन बंद करो, बटन अप योर शर्ट, बंद करो। खोलो, अनबटन योर शर्ट। अच्छा, वन मोर, सुई में धागा डालो, थ्रेड द निडल, सॉरी स्पेलिंग इज रॉन्ग, थ्रेड द निडल। हाँ, अभी एक चीज और बताता हूँ आपको, वन मोर, ड्राइव। ड्राइव मीन्स यू नो ड्राइव, that you know very well, drive, I drive my car myself, it's okay, but drive का मीनिंग एक डिफरेंट भी होता है, लाइक किसी को भगाना। जैसे मैंने बोला ड्राइव दैट डॉग अवे, मतलब यहाँ से भगाओ, ड्राइव दैट डॉग अवे, ठीक है। किसी को भी बोलना है, इस भिखारी को भगाओ, इस जानवर को भगाओ, किसी को भी, ड्राइव दैट डॉग अवे। और ड्राइव एक कील जो होती है ना, कील को दीवार में लगाते हो आप, तो उसको भी बोलते हैं ड्राइव दैट नेल इनटू द वॉल। मतलब कील को दीवार में गाड़ो, ड्राइव दैट नेल इनटू द वॉल, राइट। Some more are there, we'll discuss that later. And so you make imperative sentences by taking 20 verbs. This is your homework, and now this is the time for speaking. But today we are going to speak daily routine. Daily routine means you are going to use present indefinite tense only. I am going to tell you my daily routine.
Okay.
Listen to me carefully, and you have to write your own daily routine. I tell you, I get up early in the morning at 5 a.m. every day. I get up at 5 a.m. every day. Okay. I finish my natural calls. तो नेचुरल कॉल्स समझ गए आप?
हाँ.
नेचुरल कॉल्स, सॉरी स्पेलिंग इज रॉन्ग. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? हाँ. I finish my natural calls means you go to toilet, you brush your teeth, you wash your face, whatever, you take bath, all these things. And then I go for a walk. I go for a morning walk. I come back after an hour. After that, I do yoga and pranayam for an hour. After that, I start eating fruits. I start eating fruits. After that, I take bath at 9:30. But now it will be changed little bit because I have to take your class. So it will be changed little bit, but I am telling you the same routine which I have been following for many years. Okay. So after that, I take bath and my food is ready. So I take lunch. This is my lunch. This is my breakfast, everything. So I eat chapatis, but I don't eat wheat chapati, wheat flour. I don't use wheat flour.
Okay.
Wheat flour means
What's this? Atta?
आटा. गेहूं का आटा नहीं खाता मैं. I don't eat wheat flour. I eat some other grains. Okay.
Multiple grains together, then multiple grains.
No, I don't use multiple. I use maize. Bajra.
Yeah.
I eat bajra, ragi,
Okay.
rajgira. I eat these flours. Well, okay. So I eat lunch, and after that, I do some other work, or I make videos to upload it on my channel. And if I have a new student, I talk to them or I take my classes. In the noon, like 2-3 p.m., I take a nap. I take a nap. I take a nap. Do you know nap? Nap मतलब होता है दोपहर की नींद. I take a nap for 30 minutes. After that,
That means the shorter time for means 30-20 minutes.
maybe 20-30 minutes. Yeah. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, but 20 minutes nap is good. 20 to 30 minutes. So I take a nap. Okay, I get up and I have a cup of tea. And I have some food again, little bit. After that means I again do some work on my computer because I am always busy with my computer. I do multiple works online. So I do some work on my computer. In the evening, I go just for a walk, or I meet some of my old students. Now they have become father, they have got their shop or business or something. So I visit them because some of them are very much close to me. So means I have family terms with them. So I go to them sometimes and I just gossip with them for half an hour or like that. And most of the time we discuss about religious things. Just a moment. हेलो. हाँ, राधे राधे शुक्ला जी. हेलो. मैं 10 मिनट लग जाएंगे, अभी क्लास चल रही, बस आ ही रहा हूँ मैं। हाँ? Sorry for the interruption. So after that I come back and I go to bed. I go to bed at 10. So I go to bed early and I get up early. This is my routine. So this is my, daily routine. And now you have to speak your daily routine and you have to write it in your own words. लिखना भी है आपको,
Okay.
लिखना भी है और बोलना भी है. So this is your homework. Can you speak your routine?
Okay, so I mostly woke up at
Woke up नहीं, woke
6.
up नहीं, woke up नहीं. प्रेजेंट में बोलना है आपको. वेक अप बोलिए या गेट अप. देखिए वोक अप बोला आपने तो ये पास्ट हो गया कि मैं उठा, लेकिन उठा नहीं, उठता हूं.
I wake up at 6 a.m. and take wash my face and
वही बोलना जो मैंने बोला. आई फिनिश माई नेचुरल कॉल्स.
Okay, I finish my natural calls and then go to the for a walk.
I go for a walk.
Okay, I go for a walk for 1 hour.
1 hour. एच साइलेंट होता है, अपन क्या बोले, आई गो फॉर ए वॉक फॉर एन आवर.
I go for a walk and 1 hour.
For an hour.
For an hour and back to home after that.
आपको मैं काम करूंगा, मैं इसकी जो रिकॉर्डिंग है ना वो भेज दूंगा आपको लिंक.
Okay.
तो उसको भी देख के आपको ना काफी कुछ सीखने मिलेगा. ठीक है. I'll send you the link of that recording.
Okay.
ठीक है. Okay. और नहीं तो you have an option there, record. आप वहां से भी कर लिया करो रिकॉर्डिंग.
Okay.
एक रिकॉर्डिंग का ऑप्शन है आपके स्काइप पे आता है, लेफ्ट हैंड पे देखो. So you just push that and your recording will be started. Okay, no problem. I'll send you.
And then I take a bath and then I take then my food is ready.
Okay.
And after that so I have to tell whatever you have told them.
No. Your routine.
Okay, so I take a bath and after that I went for my.
Went नहीं, past में नहीं. हाँ.
Okay, I go to downstairs with my kids.
Two नहीं, go downstairs.
Go downstairs or with my kids for their school bus.
Okay, very good.
And then after that my food is ready and I take a chapati according to whatever is made it, and then I start my office work at 11 o'clock, and in the evening I take my lunch 2:30 or 2. Then I again go to the downstairs
to pick up your kids.
To pick up my kids and then start my again office. And in the evening I am taking my tea with some foods. And in the evening I go to the bed at 10.
Okay.
After complete my dinner.